YouTube, it's your girl Her Kicks back with another video. Now this is also a late upload, but I thought, you know, since I have free time today, might as well get it out the way now. Y'all know my last video was over the Bordeaux 6s that I hit on the sneakers I reserved for my fiance. Now I'm finally doing my video that I hit for on the sneakers I reserved for the Air Jordan 6 gold hoops, as you all may know. So let's go ahead and get into it, you guys. I don't want to waste any time with it. Here it is in the Nike Just Feel It box. All right, open it up. Okay. Now the thing I like about this automatically, like this white and gold Jumpman boxes automatically, is what stands out to me. It's something different for the ladies because we never get any special boxes, but I appreciate that I can now have something different into my collection with the special box. So here we go, y'all. You got the white and you got the gold Jumpman right here that says Air on the box. Also on the other side you have the little hole there, and the size and tag reads Women's Air Jordan 6 Retro, size 8, white and metallic gold, retail $190. Also a size men's 6.5. You guys can see that. All right, let's get into it, y'all. Let me take this gum out. Okay. Now, you got the quality control stamp in here, and you have the white and gold 23 paper, and we're gonna do this together, y'all. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Here they are, you guys. The Air Jordan 6 women's gold hoops. Y'all, I love these. Like, I love everything about these. You got that white and you got that gold Air Jordan hang tag. Like, you got the perfect color blocking around the entire shoe. It's that metallic gold, but this actually look like the pink is like it's like a rose gold pink. That's what it kind of looked like around the entire shoe. When I found out these was coming out, these shoes originally released September 24th of this year. When I found out these was coming out, I was like, I gotta have them. The box, the color blocking, the fact that the ladies are getting a lot of love this year with the Air Jordan Retros, and they're actually in my size, so where I can finally say I finally have a women's Jordan Retro in my collection. So y'all tell me what y'all think. These are amazing. So around the shoe, you got that white and you got that gold. You have the lace lock here with the all gold out lace lock with the white Jumpman here. You got these 3 hoops here, represent 3 earring hoops or whatever, you know. And you have the air holes around their entire shoe. The midsole has that nice rose gold pink there. The tongue is like rose gold with Jordan, Air Jordan in the tongue and everything like that. You see the back of the heel has the gold Jumpman, and then the heel tab here is the white and the rose gold pink. The bottom of the sole is just this milky white bottom sole, also with that rose gold pink and an all white bottom. The inside, the back of the tongue, of course, is that rose gold pink. The insole is white with the gold Jumpman. You guys can see that. Inner sock lining is all white. And yeah, you guys, these shoes, oh my god, I love everything about these shoes. These shoes are so pretty. So pretty. And also, I noticed with the air holes, it has gold on the inside of the air hole pockets. Like, that's really dope. Y'all tell me what y'all think. When I first seen these shoes, I knew I had to have them. Couldn't get them on release day, but I got them on the Nike sneakers at reserve. And yeah, I love everything about these shoes. These shoes, just by the material, is very tumble quality leather. And I love that. I love it. That is definitely something different for the ladies. And you guys tell me what y'all think about this. Did you guys cop these shoes on release date, or did you cop them on the sneakers at reserve? Because I know they go to extended sizes for the men, but For me personally, this is definitely a standout shoe for the ladies and something that will attract the ladies more than the men's sizes and extended sizes. So you guys tell me what you think. I love these shoes. You know, these would be perfect for your lady, your daughter, whatever, you know. It's definitely a clean shoe, and I would say this would definitely be a spring shoe. I would not wear these right now in the wintertime. You never know, it's going to might start snowing, might rain, and it's going to mess up the whole bottom of the milky sole of the shoe. So you guys tell me what you think. These are definitely my top pick of 2021 for the ladies. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Like, I love everything about these shoes. I'm definitely going to do it on feet for you guys. So you guys tell me what you think. And here is an in-depth review of the Air Jordan 6 Women's Retro Gold Hoops. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Just a quick little video, y'all. Y'all comment, like, rate, subscribe to my channel. Please give me the 300 subs. I would greatly appreciate it. And yeah, one last look at these. Like, these are fire from the box to the actual shoe itself. And your girl will definitely do an on-feet video for you guys in this shoe, so you guys can definitely see what it will look like on my feet. So yeah, it is your girl Her Kicks. On to my next video. Hopefully I will cop those Cougar 11s for me and my fiance, but I don't know. We'll see. It's definitely going to be a popular shoe. It's definitely going to be difficult to get your hands on, but I heard that this shoe is mass produced. So y'all tell me what y'all think of this video. And yeah, I love you guys. Bye guys.